Dream commuters.
DVD preview. 1. Work in pairs. Discuss the questions. 1. How do you get to college, work? 2. How long would you be prepared to travel to school? Work, 1 hour, 3 hours. 2a. Read the program information and answer the questions. 1. What was Justin unhappy about before? Justin was unhappy about his work-life balance. 2. What did he decide to do? He decided to buy a property in France and commute from there.
Do you hate your journey to work? Do you feel like you're wasting time sitting in traffic jams or on busy trains? People in Britain spend longer in their cars and trains than anyone else in Europe. So, some people are choosing to live in Europe but commute to work in the UK. They travel to work like this. UK. He's going home, but his home is in France. Justin is a Euro commuter.
Boarding starts at 6 o'clock and the gate number will be on the screens and departures.
Justin flies from Gatwick to his house in southwest France. He's one of a group of commuters who take the same flight to Toulouse every week. There's a hotel operator, an IT worker, a charity manager, and a BT consultant. But this week, there is an extra traveller, Libby, who is here to interview Justin. The flight takes off. There's no time for shopping with these guys.
So why did you decide to make this move in the first place?
We basically decided to move to France for a better quality of life. We looked on the internet, we saw properties available much cheaper than in Britain. We were fed up with the commuting and the traffic.
But what's the cost of the commute?
When I booked the flights early enough, I'm paying something like £38 return.
Justin's life is in a village in southwest France, an hour's drive from Toulouse airport, and over 700 miles from his Hampshire office.
Where's Georgie? She's asleep. So, how's the flight?
Not too bad. Nice to be back home now.
It's morning in the French village of Albas, beside the River Lot, and Justin Saunders seems pretty happy.
That's the house down there, with the
This one just
terrace,
here
with
with the
the
river view.
The river view, yeah.
We've just transformed our lifestyle.
Well, wouldn't you commute by plane for this?
B. Match the words in bold in exercise 2a with meanings 1 to 7. 1. Completely changed. Transformed. 2. Journeys in a plane. Flights. 3. People who travel to work. Commuters. 4. Cars, motorbikes, etc. On the road. Traffic. 5. Journey to work. Commute. 6. A building or land that you own. Property. 7. Unhappy with something, so you want to change it. Fed up with. DVD view. 3. A. Watch the DVD. Do you think Justin's life is better now? Why? Why not? Justin's life is better now because he and his family are happier. B. Are the sentences below true? T. Or false? F. 1. More and more people are choosing to live abroad and commute to their jobs in the UK. True. 2. Justin is manager of an online business based in the UK. True. 3. Justin's commute costs him hundreds of pounds every week. False. 4. Justin's journey home is about 70 miles. False. 5. Justin's wife and children stay in France while he travels to the UK every week. True. 4. Watch the DVD again. What exactly do they say? Underline the correct alternative. 1. We were fed up with waiting in the commuting and the traffic. 2. He's one of a group of travelers who take the same flight to Toulouse every week. 3. We looked on the internet and we saw properties available much cheaper than in Britain. 4. That's the house down there, with the swimming terrace. 5. We've just transformed our lifestyle. 5. Work in pairs. Discuss the questions. 1. Could you be a dream commuter with your present job, studies? 2. Where would you choose to live and how would you get to work? Speak out work-life balance. 6. Read the text and discuss the questions. In the UK, people work 43.5 hours per week on average. Men work 46.9 hours. In France, the average working week is 35 hours. Research also shows that 16% of UK workers work over 60 hours per week. At home in the UK, working parents play with their children for only 25 minutes per day. 1 out of 8, 12.5%, fathers see their children only at the weekend. 1. Is the work-life balance the same in your country? 2. Do you think people work too much? What problems can this cause? 3. Are you happy with your work, life or study, life balance? Why not?
Unit 2, Recording 8. Zainab, can I ask you a few questions about your work-life balance?
Of course.
Okay. First question. How much time do you spend sleeping?
Lots. Probably about 8 or 9 hours a night.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. And what about studying?
Well, I suppose usually about 5 or 6 hours a day, although it depends. I mean, if I have an exam coming up or something, it's probably more.
And do you ever have a holiday?
Oh yeah, probably twice a year I try and go abroad and just completely relax.
Okay. What about your weekends? Do you ever study at the weekend?
Not usually, but once in a while I open a book.
Right. And do you think you have a good work-life balance?
I think so, yeah. I'm not too stressed or anything.
Easy life being a student?
Oh yeah.
8. Write some questions about work-life balance. Use the things in the box to help you. Exercise, sport, social life, family, weekends, enjoyable, hobbies, holidays, work, study habits. How much time do you spend with your family? B. Work in groups and take turns. Ask and answer your questions. Find someone who has a similar work-life balance to you. Write back a web comment. 9a. Read the entry to www.worklife247.net. Answer the questions. 1. Is this a stressful job? Why not? 2. Would you like a job like this? 8. The 16th of October 22. Posting 1. I'm a personal trainer. I eat well and I do a lot of exercise. I spend about 5 hours a day working with clients. In general, I think my work-life balance is good. I take time off every few months just to relax, and I rarely get stressed. Once in a while I go out partying. For me, a balanced lifestyle is really important. When I was younger, I worried if I missed a day of exercise. These days I don't worry about it. My only problem is the 1-hour commute. I hate taking the train every day and it's expensive. I'm planning to move house so I can live near the gym where I work and walk to work every morning. This is not a stressful job because the work-life balance is good. She can manage their own time to suit her needs. B. Think about your work-life balance and write a comment for www.worklife247.net.